Trying to get free clothes on SHEIN without getting scammed? We've got you covered. In this article, we'll teach you tons of legitimate ways to receive free products from the retailer, plus save money on your entire order. From signing up for exclusive programs to downloading free browser extensions, here's how you can get almost everything on your SHEIN shopping list for free. Things you should know: apply for SHEIN's free trial program to get free clothes in exchange for product reviews. Follow SHEIN on social media to enter exclusive giveaways and hear about opportunities to win free clothes. Sign up for SHEIN's influencer program to receive free items and earn cash. Or send a pitching email to blogsadvice@shein.com and ask for a gifting opportunity. Sign up for SHEIN's free trial program, apply to win free clothes and review them on SHEIN's website. SHEIN's free trial program gives customers a chance to receive clothes for free in exchange for a product review. To sign up for the program, sign into your SHEIN account, look at the products in the free trial center, and hit free trial on the items you want to try out. Fill out your clothing size and mailing address, then click submit. If you're chosen to get free products, SHEIN will email you and send a push notification through their app. Alternatively, check your product status under My Applications. If it says approved but you don't receive your order within 30 days, contact SHEIN's customer service. Enter SHEIN giveaways and sweepstakes. Follow SHEIN on social media to hear about their free clothing contests. Sometimes, SHEIN runs huge giveaways on their Instagram and X accounts, where all you need to do is follow them, like and comment on their post, and repost a screenshot of their post on your feed. It's one of the easiest ways to win free clothes and gift cards from the retailer. Apply to SHEIN's influencer program, sign up to become a SHEIN influencer and receive free clothes. SHEIN's influencer program is a great way to get free clothes and earn some extra cash. Just fill out the online application or send a pitching email to blogsadvice@shein.com. If you're selected to be an influencer, SHEIN will send you a follow-up email in 7 to 10 business days and you can negotiate a contract with them. SHEIN will look at your social media follower count and engagement rate. So if you don't have many followers, email them for a gifting opportunity instead. This allows you to get free clothes in exchange for product reviews. Install a browser extension for active coupons. Download SHEIN Coupon Finder or Honey to get up to 20% off your order. When you're ready to make your purchase, activate the extension on the checkout page, and wait a few seconds for it to test all the available codes. The extension applies the largest discount before you make your purchase. Alternatively, search Google, YouTube, or TikTok for active coupon codes and manually input the code on the checkout page. Post product reviews to earn SHEIN points. Review your past purchases to earn points for new clothes. If you post a review of an item you've bought, SHEIN gives you 5 points that you can use toward any future purchase. 1 point equals $0.01. Just log into your account, click on My Orders, then go to view details of the item you want to review. From there, click Write a Review and earn away. A review with a photo earns an extra 10 points, 15 total points. A review with size information earns an extra 2 points, 17 total points. You can earn a maximum of 2,000 points per day for posting product reviews. Check in on the app to earn rewards. Press the check-in button on the home screen to earn SHEIN points. 1 point is worth 1 cent, but you can receive 73 points if you check in for 7 consecutive days. Once you earn enough points to get the clothes you want, apply them to your order on the checkout page. Points only apply for up to 70% off the total price of your order, excluding tax, shipping costs, and insurance. Watch SHEIN's live streams. Tune into SHEIN Live to receive points and free shipping. Every Wednesday, SHEIN hosts a live stream where they offer exclusive freebies and free shipping. They host this event on their app at random times, so turn on your notifications so you can tune in on time. Stack discounts on your SHEIN order. Apply a reference code and coupon on your order for the biggest discount. Type SHEIN reference code on Google, YouTube, or TikTok, and then input the code on the My Reference page on your account. This gives you $2 off every purchase, over $29, for the next 90 days. On the checkout page, tap the Apply Coupon button and select an available coupon to stack discounts. New customers get 15% off their first order of $49 by making an account. Students get 15% off their order by verifying their student status on Unidays. Shop SHEIN's sale items for huge discounts. Check their sale section daily to score deeper discounts on clothes. SHEIN adds tons of new items to their site every day, meaning they need to get rid of old inventory fast. Browse the sale section to score up to 60% off regular priced items, including clothes, electronics, beauty, home and kitchen, and much more. Purchase an e-gift card for extra discounts. Spend at least $200 on a digital gift card for 5% off your order. If you purchase a $200 gift card in the United States, SHEIN automatically takes a percentage off of your order. For a $200 gift card, you pay $190. For a $300 gift card, you pay $285. For a $400 gift card, you pay $380. For a $500 gift card, you pay $475.